Premier has really helped us in being able to organize. Hairdressers are known for being flighty, and really we're creative. We're not good organizers. So I would have to say that Premier has helped us to be able to put our receipts away and not have to worry about them, not have to go dig through boxes and find them. And we went through a tax audit, and I had to go through digging through 5 years of boxes trying to find the different receipts that the government wanted from me. And getting those things put back into place is pretty difficult. Finding them was one thing, putting them back is even more, because now you're behind. You've taken all this time out for an audit, and trying to get everything put back is ridiculous. The ability, I haven't been audited since we started using Premier, but the peace of mind that I have to know that I can go in and pull up whatever receipts they want without having to go and dig through boxes is absolutely huge. Probably the next thing that I would say would be the decluttering of my home. We've been in business for 10 years, and all your year-end receipts, every receipt you save, we put in boxes and we put in our home, in my office at home. Well, I had boxes from floor to ceiling, and we don't have to do that anymore. I'm slowly weeding all that out and not adding to it by being able to put all my receipts into Premier. It has also helped us to be able to organize and to store our soap notes or our massage notes. We have an intake form that's filled out with each one of our guests that comes in for massage, facials, or pedicures. And now we have a convenient way to be able to save those, be able to look up those customers. If there was ever anything that came up legally, we have a legal document that will stand up in court because it's a PDF file and cannot be altered. To me, the biggest thing is the peace of mind that I have, to know that every one of my receipts is put away, to know that if the building burns down tomorrow, the IRS does not care. If your building burns down, they still expect you to have receipts. So to me, the biggest thing is to have that peace of mind, to know that everything is put away, it's safe, it's sound, it's secure. And if I go out of business, I have a nice file, little box that I'll keep that has all my receipts for it until I fulfill my obligations to the government. So that's huge to me.